Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel named Learning to Learn. Right. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about functions of management. In the last video, we did levels of management, and if you need the whole playlist of management in English, just go to the description box and you can get all the videos. Right. So before starting the video, a quick update on my Telegram channel, right? If you want all these notes in PDF format through which I'm teaching, right, guys? If you need this, you can just join my Telegram channel, and you just have to search on Telegram Learning to Learn. You'll get my official channel and you can download the note. Second thing about Unacademy, if anybody is not aware of Unacademy, please download an app through you can say your phone, and you can also search it online. So Unacademy is India's leading online learning center where you can actually learn for various classes like UGC net, CSIR net, UPSC examinations, many competitive examinations, CA and CS, right? So you can do that, and this is my you can say name on Unacademy. You can just follow me just by searching on Unacademy as ADITIVINODARYA, right? And you can use this referral code which I've underlined, that is Aditi Live. So if you're going for the plus subscription, you can actually get 10% discount on your final payments if you use this referral code. Now I also have other channels on YouTube as well of study vlog and boss lady. If you're not able to find it, at the end of the video I will give you the on the screen as well, you'll find these both links, right? You can follow these channels if you're interested. It has a great content, right? And that's it, fine. And if you're very if you started preparing for NTA UGC net, you should once actually follow Unacademy, because a lot of the educators including me are coming up various special classes, and in that special classes you'll be able to understand various topics of paper 1 as well as paper 2, commerce management and other paper as well, right? So do check out Unacademy. Fine. Now let's move on to the next one, right? We have done a lot of things in management. If you have seen my previous session, you'll come to know that we have done a lot of things, right? And in the end of the day, we actually started with top level, middle level and bottom level management. This is what I taught you yesterday, right? Yesterday only I have uploaded a video on that. So this is a quick activity, right, of various levels of management, right? So exactly what you need to do is you need to find out the activity carried on by different levels of management, right? So for example, make major decisions. Who makes major decisions? Top level management makes major decisions, right? Comprises of departmental managers and assistant managers. So which particular level comprises of departmental managers and assistant managers? Yes, that is middle level. So these are the various questions you can practice, right? And you can actually get a glimpse and you can remember the levels of management, right? And to all those who do not understand English as well, or who are more comfortable in understanding in Hindi, the same series I'm bringing up in Hindi. You can also follow my channel to get the same series in English as well as in Hindi, right? So make sure you join. And today what we are going to do, today we are going to do the functions of management, which are very important, right? And if you want to find the notes, or if you want to download the notes, you can just go to my Telegram channel. You can download all the notes. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so let's start with this. We have various functions of management. First, okay, fine. The first function of management is, this is how it works. It is actually a circular activity, right? It starts with planning, then organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, etc., right? So in all these functions, one thing is common, that is coordination. In planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling functions, you need to coordinate with each other. That is very necessary. Okay, so understand, coordination is the essence or linking of activities, task, timing of organization, synchronizing. So please remember, this can be asked in your examination, that What is the essence of management? Controlling is the essence of management. Which activity links all the functions of management? Coordination is an activity that links all the functions of management, right? So make sure you remember that this is very important, right? Now let us understand each and every function in detail, and make sure you also remember the sequence, right? Planning should be first, then organizing, then staffing, then directing, and then controlling. And you remember how to draw this diagram. This diagram is really important, and suppose if you are giving your 12th examination or BCom examination, this diagram can help you score more marks, right? So make sure you practice diagrams. Fine. Now the first is planning. Okay, what is planning? Planning is the first function, right, to determine in advance what is to be done and who is to do it. So in planning we are going to decide that what is to be done, right? Exactly what are we going to do, what are our objectives, and who will do that particular thing. So this is planning in advance, well advanced, that what we are going to do, right? It will include forecasting, it will include analyzing, it will include decision making, it will include an n number of activities. This is just a brief introduction of planning, that what actually planning means, right? The next is organizing. Organizing, it is the management function of assigning duties, grouping tasks, establishing authority, and allocating resources required to carry out specific plan. So planning is you can say to decide well in advance what is to be done, right? Now let's go to organizing. In organizing, you can remember organizing by 3 M's, that is machine, men, and method. Means you're going to organize all these beforehand, so that before starting the production or before starting various activities, you have that particular thing, what your various people, your various machines, and it's not method, it's material, so sorry. So men, machine, and material, you have all the material, raw material available with you. So organizing is the management function of assigning duties, grouping tasks, establishing authority, and allocating resources required to carry out a specific plan. So if you need to carry out a specific plan, then you need organizing, right? Organizing will help you to do those activities, so ultimately you will be able to get prepared, right? You are preparing well in advance, so that you can actually start various activities. You can allocate the resources in this particular function. You can manage, or you can say you can bring materials and machines into the organization, right? Now staffing, this is related to men, right? Or you can say women, both, right? So staffing is finding the right person for the right job. Now here recruitment, selection, staffing, training and development, performance appraisal, compensation, and many other things takes place. So in staffing we are going to do a lot of activities, and if you study further in management, you'll realize that staffing becomes a whole new subject known as HRM, right? So in this we are going to do recruitment activities, selection activities, training and development, compensation, performance appraisal, etc. Right? Now directing, only after getting the people you can direct. So understand, after organizing we don't direct, because you cannot tell the machine what to do, you can tell people what to do. So first you need staffing, you need people, right people for the right job, and then you can direct the people that how or where to go, right? So direction involves lending, influencing, and motivating employees to perform the task assigned to them. So here what we are going to do is, directing has various elements, okay? If you don't know, directing has communication, directing has supervision, leadership, and motivation, etc. So these elements help a person to get the direction or the way where he wants to go, or what is needed to be done, right? So that is really very important. Direction is one of the most important things. Without direction, the employees would be very confused that what to do and what not to do, right? So these are the basic functions. And okay, I did not write, but yes, we still have controlling, right? What is controlling? Controlling is comparing the actual performance with the planned performance. So might be that I have planned something else, but end of the day I end up with certain different performances. So I will understand if there is any gap. For example, I plan that I should produce like 2000 goods, right? But at the end of the month, when I started counting, I realized that I only produced 1500 goods, right? So there is a gap of 500 goods. Why so? Did the planning was lacking somewhere, or we did not organize properly, the staff was not efficient, or the direction was not given? What exactly was the problem? To understand the problem and to get the right solution, we need controlling is a very important part. And controlling is actually measuring the gap or measuring any differences between planned performance and actual performance, right? And to take corrective actions if necessary. So this was all functions about management. So I hope you have understood this video. This was a very simple and easy video, and we'll be continuing with management, and with these particular series you'll be able to understand each and every topic of management with ease, that I can guarantee you. And if there are any doubts, any problems, please do let me know. I'll try to help you out. Take very good care of yourselves. And one more thing, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for this particular you can say time being, right? So if you are watching this video after like 2 years or something, it has changed, right? So right now what I'm trying to do is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, these 3 days I'm going to teach you management, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday I'm going to teach you financial management, right? So let us complete these 2 subjects first, then we'll jump to various other subjects, right? So I hope you have understood this video. If you still have any doubts, any problems, please do let me know, and follow me on Telegram, and also you can join my 2 other channels, right? So you can get more information on various things. Like on study vlog, I usually teach, or I usually give you a guidance that how to start a YouTube channel, or you should actually start a YouTube channel or not. And on Boss Lady, I give tips on presentation, on office ethics, etc., right? So according to your choice, you can join these channels. You can just check out these channels once. Okay, so take good care of yourself, stay home, study hard, and take care. Bye bye.